Welcome back, everyone, to another deep dive. And
Mhm.
today we're tackling something that I know I struggle with, and I'm sure a lot of you out there do too.
Yeah.
And that is those pesky errors that creep into our Excel formulas.
Oh, yeah.
So today we're going to give you, or really, our expert is going to give you a shortcut
Absolutely.
that will help you catch these errors
Mhm.
before they become big problems.
Sure.
So why don't you tell everyone what this magical shortcut is?
Okay, so this one is, it's a little strange,
Okay.
but it is memorable. I promise you that. It
Yeah.
is Alt plus M plus K plus K.
Alt MKK.
Yeah.
That's interesting.
Yeah.
So what does that actually do?
So it's going to take you straight to the error checking tool,
Okay.
which is in that formula auditing section of the ribbon.
Mm-hmm.
So you know how you have that ribbon up at the top?
Right.
It has like all the different tabs,
Yeah.
formulas and data and all that.
Exactly.
So it takes you to formulas and then to that formula auditing section.
Gotcha. So it just gets you right to where you need to be.
Exactly. And then you can select error checking.
Perfect.
Yeah.
So, you're working on a big spreadsheet. You've got all these complex formulas in there.
Right.
And maybe you're not even sure something's wrong.
Mm-hmm.
How does this error checking tool actually help you?
Okay, so it will scan through your formulas and let you know if it finds anything that looks amiss.
Okay.
So maybe you've got like a divide by zero error,
Right.
or maybe you're referencing a cell that doesn't exist anymore.
Those are always fun.
Yeah. So it'll flag those for you,
Okay.
and it'll also give you some options, like to trace the error, to help you figure out where it's coming from.
So it doesn't just tell you there's an error. It actually gives you some clues.
Exactly. Yeah, it's
Yeah.
like a little detective helper.
I like that.
Yeah.
So it's like it gives you some of the tools to start figuring out
Right.
what's actually going on in that formula.
Exactly. And it has these buttons for next and previous. So if you've got multiple errors in your spreadsheet, you can just kind of click through them.
Well, that's handy.
Yeah.
So it's not just like one at a time. You can actually
Yeah.
find them all.
Exactly.
Okay, very cool.
Mm-hmm.
Now, I know there are times when the error isn't a simple typo or something like that.
All right.
Sometimes it's that the logic in the formula itself is wrong.
Yes.
So do you have any tips for that?
Yes. So that's where the trace error tool comes in.
Trace error.
Yes.
Okay, so how does that work?
So it visually shows you the flow of the calculations.
Oh.
So it will show you like arrows pointing to the different cells that are involved
Okay.
in the formula, and that can help you see, okay, this is where I messed up.
So it's literally tracing the path of the formula.
Yes, exactly.
And helping you see where things might have gone wrong.
Exactly.
Oh, that's fantastic.
Yeah.
It's like having a little map
Yes.
of your formula.
Something.
That's awesome.
Exactly.
So we've got Alt MKK to find the errors, and then we've got trace error to kind of figure out where the root of the problem is.
Yes.
That's a pretty great combination.
Yeah, it's very powerful.
So I guess even though we have these awesome tools,
Right.
there's still going to be times when we make mistakes.
Oh, absolutely.
That's just part of
And
it.
everybody makes mistakes in Excel.
Yeah.
It's just part of it.
But now we have a way to kind of figure out what those mistakes are and how to fix them.
Yes. And the important thing is to not get discouraged
Right.
when you do find those mistakes. It's
Yeah.
all part of the learning process.
Absolutely.
You know, the best Excel users aren't the ones who never make mistakes.
Right.
They're the ones who know how to find them
Yes.
and fix them quickly.
Exactly.
So these tools can really help with that.
So you're saying it's not about being
Right.
perfect. It's
Mm.
about being resourceful
Yes, exactly.
and knowing how to fix those problems when they do happen.
Exactly.
Awesome. So just to kind of recap for everyone out there, if you're struggling with formula errors, remember, Alt MKK
Yes.
is your new best friend.
It really is.
And then you can use trace error to really dig in
Mhm.
and figure out what's going on.
Yes.
Well, I think this has been super helpful. I know I learned a lot, and I hope everyone out there listening did too.
Me too.
So until next time, happy spreadsheeting.